Hello again guys, so today we'll look at paper 22 from October-November 2023. Right, question 4, it says a procedure count. Right, well this will input a value and all values will be positive integers. Then we want to count the number of odd values and count the number of even values. Right, we then want to repeat from step 1 until the value input is 99. And we also want to output the two count values with a suitable message. And it says the value 99 must not be counted. So let's just go ahead and do this. Okay, so let's go procedure. This will be count, right? And I think here we don't need any parameters, okay, because we're just going to input. And let's just go end procedure. All right, now if we think of the variables, well, we're going to need like an odd total. So maybe let's just say num odds. Right, let's also go num evens. And I think maybe let's call it maybe num, like the number input, right, the user input. And they're all going to be integers. So what we'll do, well, let's just go and assign, and we'll just assign 0 to num odds, right, and also 0 to the number of evens. And I mean, number input we don't need to assign, we don't need to assign, because, well, we're just going to do that inside the loop. So here, I mean, we could use either a while loop or we could use repeat until. I mean, there's honestly not much difference, but yeah, I think for me, I'm just going to use repeat until. Because the thing is, you know, even if it's a while loop, well, num input by default is going to be 0. So, you know, if we do kind of like while num input is not equal to 99, well, that means it is still going to execute at least one time. Okay, so yeah, both of these will work. Anyway, let's go output and we'll just give them a message, you know, enter a number. And I'm also just going to say, you know, 99 to terminate, or maybe 99 to exit. Right, then let's just go input. And we want to input this into the number input. And I think here it says, actually, well, I've not copied this, but it says if it's 99, then we don't want to count this. So let's just go here and we'll go if number input. Right, and then if this is not equal to 99, well, then we will count it. And then we have to think, how do we determine if a number is odd or even, right? And hopefully you remember this, we can just use mod 2. So let's go here, this will be num input. Then if we just go mod 2 and check that equals 0, right, well, this means it's going to be an even. And the reason again is, well, if we do, for example, 2 mod 2, right, that's going to be 0. 4 mod 2, 6 mod 2, 8 mod 2, right, they're all going to be 0. Whereas if we do an odd number mod 2, then it's going to be 1, right? So yeah, like 1 mod 2, 3 mod 2, 5 mod 2, okay, they're all going to equal 1. So I mean, yeah, here it's quite simple. Okay, we're just incrementing them. Right, then else, then we're just going to increment the number of odds. Right, then make sure just to end if, and then yeah, I think that's okay. I mean, let's just have the right until number input equals 99. Right, so this will be the stopping condition, and I think then we can just output. So yeah, let's just go on the number of evens. Well, yeah, number of even numbers. Right, this is going to be num evens, and then if we just do the same, right, number of odds, and let's just go, yeah, num odds, and then I think, I mean, obviously, well, in the exam you won't have to call it, but if we want to test this, right, we will actually have to call it. So let's just call it, right, okay, although, yeah, in the exam you don't have to write this. Okay, unexpected token. Okay, so I just realised I got this error because, well, I was on the wrong syllabus. So if I just set this to the 9618, okay, A-level syllabus, then hopefully this will work. Right, so let's go, for example, 10, let's try maybe 14, let's try 15, let's try 19, and let's go 21. Then if we just go 99, well, that should say, 2 evens and 3 odds. And yeah, okay, so this seems to be working.